This might be the end of your YouTube Shorts channel. Yep. On July 2nd, YouTube dropped a massive policy update, and if you run a faceless or AI-generated channel, you could be at serious risk of demonetization. But don't panic, I'm breaking it down. What changed, who's affected, and how to survive. So let's break it down. Starting July 15th, YouTube updates its partner program rules. They're now targeting mass-produced and repetitious content. What this means: copy-paste channels, AI spam, and repeated templates must beware. YouTube wants original and authentic videos, and they're tightening the screws on anything that looks auto-generated or lazy. Channels with these formats: ranking shorts using the same layout, Reddit text-to-speech recaps, AI slideshows with no commentary. These formats could get demonetized. So, whose is exempted? Creators who transform content. If you're doing commentary, voiceovers, storytelling, or editing in a meaningful way, you're likely safe. YouTube even said it: content is fine if each video highlights specific qualities about your topic. In short, if your content looks human-made and adds value, you're good. If it looks like a bot made it in 10 seconds, you're not. Don't believe the hype. YouTube isn't deleting all faceless creators. Guys like FitFix and Dylan Anderson bring YouTube billions of views. Billions, with a B. That's ad revenue YouTube doesn't want to lose. This isn't a complete removal. It's a cleanup. They're targeting the low-effort stuff, not creators doing real work. What do you do if you want to be safe? Here's what to do. Add commentary to your videos, guys. Try and tell a story and change your format. You can also educate, entertain, or explain your videos. If possible, show your face if you can, even in a bubble on the screen and your face on it. The goal is transformation. If your content feels like your voice and effort is in it, you're already ahead. But hey, let's say the worst happens. You get demonetized. Now what? You start all over again. All we do in this life is to adapt, right? You can also test new content and try different platforms. Real creators don't give up when the algorithm changes, they evolve. Look, these updates are not the end to YouTube, but you must know that YouTube's rewarding effort and originality. If you're willing to grow, you'll thrive. So calm down and keep creating. Stay smart. Let's build smarter. Let's build better. I'll see you after July 15th.